HPC. Under NEP HPC. Okay. First, we need to define the stages, sir. In NEP HPC, this is the organization level. Okay, in the organization level, we have to give. Yes,
First,
sir.
you can inform what are the things that we need to set up in the organization level. Then we can check into branch level, because first from stage wise we need to inform them. This is organization level.
This is organization level in the NEP HPC model. First, we need to define the stages, like what are the stages we are showing in the report card. So this is holistic progress assessment we are showing, like accordingly what they want to show in the report card, that will enable it as yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, they are giving holistic progress assessment, so we have given only this as yes. Next, after we have manage holistic assessment progress here.
Okay.
Same. Yes, sir.
In there, what we can do, progress assessment.
In this learner profile by teacher, parents feedback, like what is the data we are giving? Are we giving in a text box, or like yes or no options, or like a check box, like how we are giving the entry, sir? Like how you want that entry need to be? Like is it to be in checkbox, or is it to be like a click option, like a radio button option, yes or no options? Like these are the fields. Like is this a multiple one?
Okay.
That way we can select it, like for each field what we are giving, like how we are giving that area to fill.
Okay. This assessment name and all, where we need to give interest of the child, strength of the child.
These are default only, sir. These are default. I'll just show you. These are default. This is like who is giving the
okay. Teacher,
assessment,
parent,
teacher
or
or student. Mostly we don't allow parent or teacher to enter that, but mostly teacher will enter according to the student interest only. So here we can give the heading, like what need to be shown. Which one, sir? Here, sir. Here. Yeah, here we can show the name according to our wish. This one is, yes, sir. This field you are telling. No, sir. These are default. Yeah, these are default things. Whatever they want, they can include it, sir.
So whichever we are selecting from the stages, that only it will be reflecting here.
Yeah. Actually, previous report card we have that options are like what we want, that only we will be showing. Now this in NEP HPC it is like predefined. We cannot do any changes in that. Whatever is there, we just need to select that field, and we need to give like what is the text area of that.
Okay.
Yeah, here we'll give. Next, after here we have domain subject goals and competencies. The these options, physical development. This we need to add, sir. Like how.
Okay. Like category, subcategory, we need to create it.
Yeah. Default also we actually if we select default, all the fields will be coming. But this client has informed like only some fields they want to give in the report card. So we have selected from here, sir.
அப்புறம் நம்ம அந்த கோகோலாஸ்டிக் ஸ்கில்ஸ்க்கு நம்ம பண்ணுவோம்ல அந்த மாதிரி. Okay. This is from the school we need to take the inputs. Is it right?
Yes, like what are the subjects they want to show? These are like a subjects for the primaries, like.
Okay.
Wha-
The subjects, whichever we have created, that will be displayed in the domain and subject name. Is it right?
Mm-hmm.
Or else we need to create any
If
subject
if
sector.
if they want to show it like it is like a subject like English Hindi, then we can give the name as here Hindi only, sir. Here we can give the name. I'll just show you the subject part also.
Subjects, whichever we are creating, no, that subjects will be coming here, or we need to create in any different subjects.
That subject also will come, sir.
Okay.
These are like the holistic main holistic report card. Like these the subjects will give in the report card, sir. Manage holistic subjects for assessment. Here we need to enable if the subject is if we are using it for holistic,
Okay. Okay.
then we need to enable this, sir. Then it will show in the that in the screen subject holistic assessment, sorry, goals and competencies here. So while adding that list, the subject will reflect there according to the subject what is the competencies you want to give. Then we can add the competencies accordingly.
Okay.
So these are the like basics. This will be the goals mostly. If the client want to add the normal subjects also, then we can add it, sir.
Okay. Okay. In down below, there will be a holistic components that only we need to add it.
Yeah.
Holistic development. Okay. Ramesh bro.
If you add in the goals and competencies directly, it will show here only, sir.
Okay. 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 So no need to create this in the
No,
subject
no, we are
creation.
not creating
Automatically.
any subject. Yeah, it will come automatically.
Okay. So the number of allegations also will add it. Like there will be a number of count will be there, no subject counted. There is no limitation, no.
As of now, I think there is no limit, sir.
ஓகே ரமேஷ் ப்ரோ நம்ம சப்ஜெக்ட்ஸ் கிரியேட் பண்றோம் இல்லைங்களா ஃபர்ஸ்ட் என்னென்ன ரிப்போர்ட் கார்டில் என்னென்ன சப்ஜெக்ட்ஸ் கிரியேட் பண்றாங்கன்னு பாருங்க ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இதை காட்டுங்க ஃபர்ஸ்ட் சப்ஜெக்ட் கிரியேஷன்ஸை அதுக்கப்புறம் வந்து நீங்க அந்த இதை காட்டுங்க அந்த அசஸ்மெண்ட் இருக்கு இல்லையா அந்த அசஸ்மெண்ட்டை காட்டுங்க So first we need to create the which part we need to create?
Goals and competencies.
That is a subject.
Holistic assessment, goals and competencies.
Okay.
If we are giving the default goals and competencies, then you can directly proceed from this screen, sir. If you want to give the basic subjects into the goals and competencies, just enable that checkbox like you want to show that subject, no? Here we'll just click. Select the subject list. If suppose now you have seen that English is enabled, so I'm getting the English. And what is the code? Actually, we have codes option here. These are the codes like C.C1 something codes will be there. And this is the goal name. Like the heading of the goal. And here what is the same goal code only here also. And here what is the goal exactly. Competencies name in this way. Actually here the codes will be coming, but in the report like when we are entering the grades, no, there itself it is showing the code only, so the client is not understanding what is the exact competency, like for which one they are giving the grade. So for that reason we have given the name, same name here also.
Okay.
Actually default it will be in this way, sir. Physical development. So these are the defaults, sir. Goal code, goal competency code, and
competency. Okay.
These are the default fields. If they
because so if they know the code means they can enter. If they don't have any code means they can select the default or they can create an own.
Because in the new screen, what happened is this code is coming in the header part, like in the
Okay.
gray entry screen. In the entry part, we are getting this competency code. So
Okay.
by seeing the competency code,
Yeah,
they
I
are
understand.
unable to give the grade.
Okay.
Since we don't have like selection option, so we have created a year for the client.
Okay.
So if you want all the fields, then we can just select it and we can assign it, sir.
Okay.
So these are the default one. If we want to add the subject wise, then we need to enable for the subject.
Okay. Okay. Fine.
Yeah. So for that, after like adding the goals and competences, here we have a holistic grading scale.
Holistic basis. Okay.
So if you want to take the default grading scale, you can, or you can add the custom grading scale. What is the grade points you want to add? If you want to add the
Normally. Okay.
emojis also, like we'll give the icons also in the entry part, like
Okay.
uh
Smileys only we can update, no?
yeah, in the last one also, the previous one we have, I just show you.
Okay. Good, bad.
This These are the default grade icons we have in MCB.
Okay.
So whenever we are giving the grade entry, if you don't want to show the grade, we can show the icons,
Yeah,
grade
item
icons.
description will be there or
These are
remarks section? Okay. Okay.
like grade will be reflecting, sir. As of now, grade will be reflecting. So if
Okay.
you want to show the icon, then if we like give the icons, then icon will reflect in the report card.
Okay.
Like here.
Okay.
Here,
Instead of beginner progressing,
ah,
the smileys will be there.
smileys
Okay.
will be coming. Yes. If we
The
update
report
the
card,
icon,
the
yes, sir.
report card we need to collect from the school or are we having any samples?
Like for holistic, this is the default one, sir.
Okay.
For CBSE, this is the default format. We don't have any other formats also. This is the default format for everyone, sir.
Okay.
Mm. So if you are collecting also according to their format, how they are adding, like you can check the goals and competences.
That
Like,
only. No, no.
mm,
I'm asking if the some schools are asking,
mm,
like if we are having any report card means kindly show us that we can follow like that they will
yeah,
say.
okay.
Are we having any samples that you show to the client or you directly collect the report card?
No, we have given them sample. Like this is the format we have.
Okay. So
Accordingly,
where you have collected that in MCB there is a sample report card? Huh?
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
yeah, yes, sir.
Karthik, the thing is with this NAP HPC report card, we only have one format. This format which Bhavani is showing you, right? This is the only format we have, and we will not be creating customized formats for NAP HPC report card. This
That
is
only, bro.
CBSE approved default format.
No, bro.
Okay,
This
so
report card,
with
where
this
we can
format,
take it in MCB because tomorrow, if they are asking, means we can show that report card. No.
Yeah, we
like
can show,
direct,
sir.
like
Like
Bhavani will tell you.
like this is the default format, sir. We can see in the demo login also, sir. Like the format will be visible for you. The entry will not come. Format will be visible for you.
Okay.
Uh,
In principal access, we can get it. No. Stick report card format one. I checked that one. I got it in demo login. Term wise also we can enter, and this wise also we can take it. Is it right?
Yeah. Yes, sir. No, sir. In this customized, like will not do any changes in the report card. Like simple things, like if you want to add a school logo, we can add the school logo, or else like for one of our client, they want to show the grading icons also in the grading scale, so I have given them in the grading scale. That is only the changes we have done. Apart from that, any changes in the report card is not done, sir.
Okay, then where we need to enter the grades and everything,
So
or we need to
this
do any other sub setup?
no, sir. Once we complete the grade scale and assign the grading scale to the
Okay.
branch,
Hmm.
like for which classes we are
Okay.
giving
Okay.
this
Default it
hosting.
will come like an
Yeah.
grade book, normal grade book.
After creating, we have to assign to the classes.
Okay.
So this is completed here. The goals and competencies are completed. And in the NEP HPC stages, we have defined. Sorry. Progress assessment. We have defined the learner profile of the peers assessment.
Changes.
Stages we holistic progress assessment, we have defined it in the NEP. First we need to define the stage, sir. Then after we have to define the assessment. Here, learner profile of the teacher, parents feedback, self assessment, peers assessment, here we have to define. Okay, then after subjects, subjects is also there in the same screen, NEP HPC menu only. Okay, first part is stages. Under stages, what is the stage we are defining? After that, you can go for the holistic progress assessment. Like, what are the assessment you want to show in the report card? We'll just give the we'll just enable it, and we'll give the data type how they want to enter. And after that, you can go for the subjects. If you are giving the general subjects, you can just enable it, or else you can directly go for the adding option in the goals and competencies. Okay, in the goals and competencies, after adding subjects, then after we are giving grading scale and assigning the grading scale to the classes. So this is how the we do setup in the main level, sir. Like learner profile, as I said you, is it a predefined one? We are not giving any entries there. It will come directly. So I'm moving to branch level. So after coming to branch level, in the preschool module, we can give the basic details of the student. From here, we are giving the basic details of student.
Okay.
NEP HPC module.
For profile update, we need to go to the this learner profile.
Learner profile. Yes, sir. So after that, in the holistic, NEP HPC model, under holistic assessment, we have subject goals and competency grade entry, sir.
Okay.
So here we are selecting the subject. What is the goal? And here we are giving the entry, sir.
Okay. Okay. முன்னாடி சொல்ற உங்களுக்கு புரியுதா? அது நம்ம செக் பண்ணுவோம். அது நீங்க வாங்குங்க ஃபர்ஸ்ட், அதுக்கப்புறம் செக் பண்ணுவோம்.
In the first option, holistic assessment remarks, we are giving the learner
Student
profile, peers assessment. This one, sir. Learner profile of the teacher, parents feedback, self-assessment, and peers assessment. We are from here we are giving. So this is the text box we have given for the entry. So
Okay.
here they are updating it
So
as a
this
text
only
box.
we can modify as an text box or
Yeah.
graded.
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Here, sir. Learner profile by the teacher, parents feedback, self-assessment, peers assessment. No, all the details will be entered from the teachers only because uh, now as of now we are like teachers only are entering the details, sir. So this is how we can give the data entry, sir, like how we want to give the entry according to the assessment. So here they want to give as like yes or no, so they have chosen like a yes or no. So according to the yes or no, it is coming in the report card. So this data, like data entry type, we are defining from the NEP HPC, sir. Assessment, holistic assessment. I have just shown you, know, like in that page we are defining for that assessment what is the like type you want to give. You want to give a text box, or you want to give a radio options to choose, or you want to give a multiple options to select. If you are giving a multiple options to select, there itself only we are giving like what are the options they want to select. Hmm. In the app we don't have this module, sir. App we don't have the more menu is only not there, sir. We can give eh, only like in the web version. I think they can see. Mm. Yes, yes, a grade book is there, but this preschool model is not there, sir.
அது பேசிக்கலாம் bro. அது கேட்டுக்கலாம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நம்ம செட்டப் பண்ணிப்போம். ஆப்ல இப்போ இப்போதைக்கு நம்ம ஆப்ஷன்ஸ் ஆர் நாட் அவைலபிள். நோ.
No, sir. Menu is not there, sir.
They can take a print out. They can take the print out. Is it right?
So from here we will give the
காட்டி நம்ம அப்டேட் வாங்குவோம். ஓகேங்களா?
From here we can give the remarks like the parents feedback, self assessment, everything we from assessment remarks. And for goals and competencies grade entry, from here we will give the entry, sir. So these are the subject, whatever the subject we give the competencies, that subject only will reflect here, sir. So accordingly we'll select the subject, and under that subject how many goals we have given. So by default we have like for 3 to 4 goals in that like default format. If they want to select the default format, like according to their like their report card format, we can design it, sir. So here we'll select term 1, term 2 accordingly. We'll select and we'll give the grade entry, and we have a bulk option here, like bulk save option. Okay, after completing this, here also we have a report card format, and the preschool also we have same report card format, sir. Here we will be downloading the report card, sir. Holistic report card format one. And in the preschool also we have same thing, sir. Same report card. You have two options you can download, sir. This one, holistic report card. Both ways you can download. So these are the details from learner profile, basic details of the student, a glimpse of myself, and a glimpse of my family will be the learner profile place, sir. This is the goals and competencies which will be from the NEP HPC module. Goals and competencies and learner profile of the teacher, parents feedback, self-assessment, peers assessment from the NEP HPC, sir. This learner portfolio is like this one, sir. Activities and photo gallery. This is like a photo option, sir. We'll upload a photo of the student or like whatever the photo they are giving. Here, in the photo gallery, we have to select one, like we have to give a activity. We have to give a activity and add the title, like for like holistic report card also you can add. And here we have an option to tag the student. So whoever the student we are tagging and uploading the photo, that student photo will come in this place. So whenever we are tagging, their photo only will reflect in the particular their report card. Yeah, like students photo or their family photo they want to display, like whatever the photo they want to display, like here only, sir. Huh. For in a photo gallery, we need to tag the student for which student you want to upload, and accordingly, whatever the photo they want to give, you can upload it. Signatures. Then after the grading scale will be coming, then this is the ending of the report cards. Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'll talk with the account manager and I'll share you the logins. Okay. Okay. Actually, we don't have this holistic report card in any only specific. Let's assume 2 or 3 schools are using this holistic. Sorry, NEP HPC one. Okay, I'll share you the logins. Okay. Okay. Did you understood how this report card works? A basic understanding. Oh, okay, sir. And with regards to Bala Vidya Mandir, they are gonna ask you some queries in the gradebook test creation that as well. Okay, just clear those. If they have any deep queries, just tell them to discuss with. You. Okay, because the setup needs to be done. Right? Yeah, obviously everyone will ask for customization, but right now we are not entertaining it. Let's like if they ask it, we just have to check with Anuradha ma'am. We don't have any other option. But after checking, we would be able to tell them that after discussing with the team. uh, yeah, that's it. Yeah, that is the only thing which we can say to them right now. Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
நான் கேட்டுக்கிறேன் ப்ரோ உங்ககிட்ட. நான் இன்னொரு கால்ல இருக்கேன். ஓகே பவானி, தேங்க்யூ.
Thank you, sir.
தேங்க்யூ. விஷ்ணு ப்ரோ, ஐ
Yeah,
கால்
yeah.
யூ ப்ரோ.
Okay,
I'm having another
just,
call, bro.
yeah, okay.
నెక్స్ట్